Unlock your potential with a comprehensive suite of investing tools and expert education with GammaEdge. Start your free 14-day trial today.
Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick liquidity stock review for pre-market November 9th. Just a reminder for general market thoughts here, SPX channel. Go there, read Paul's if-thens, have the morning call posted. Also a pre-market video that we will post in a little bit. Mike will do that, be in the newsletter as well, and post it to YouTube. So quickly going to look at the GEX ratios using the GEX ratio command, pre-market data in the Discord. Here looking at Apple, GEX ratio is 1.57. Kind of middle of the range, 1.57 middle of the range. So really nothing to say there. Looks fine. Looking at Tesla, 1.44, again kind of middle of the historical range back to July, so nothing concerned there. Not oversold or overbought, anything like that. Looking at Microsoft's certainly ramped the last week or so. Just look at all those up bars. Blue is green bars. So yeah, I'd say this one is more overbought than oversold. So it's something to keep in mind there. Looking at Nvidia, kind of middle of the range. Amazon, again, middle of the range. So that's just getting our bearings on the GEX ratios themselves. If we go look at the market structure heat map real quick, just confirming here that our delta planes are green for all of these. So yeah, Apple, you can see the majority of these are green. Apple, Amazon, green. Moving over to the next, you got Meta green, Microsoft green, Netflix green, Nvidia green, Tesla green. So yeah, all looks constructive there. Now if we continue over to the web app itself, here looking at Apple, 185. This was plus GEX yesterday, plus GEX today, and the money out of the money call dominated. Looking at today's expiration, this week's expiration, 185, again plus GEX, 180 transition zone, kind of so right. Really spot is smack dab in the middle of that, so kind of risk to reward 1-to-1, not great there. Again, transition and plus GEX don't really show. Not super interested in Apple, to be honest here. Looking at Tesla, we are at 220 a spot, so that's right at positive transition all the way up to 225. So again, risk to reward there is better because you were right at your stop loss, and yeah, plus GEX 225 could be a good target. Looking at this week's expiration, key levels haven't changed. Looking at next week, key levels haven't changed. So yeah, that is Tesla. Looking at Microsoft, yeah, I mean, just this one, we've been saying the last week how much this green delta this thing has had in it, and it's just ripped to the upside. However, we are actually extended past plus GEX at 360, so something to keep an eye on. COI is 360 as well, so typically what we like to see is plus GEX and COI lead price higher. So, perfect world, plus GEX would be 370 or 380, but that is not the case right now. So if you are long or looking to get long, just don't get out of your ski tips here. It's already had a heck of a move. This week's expiration, we actually do have plus GEX at 365, so slightly ahead of price. Not a ton, to be honest, though. Yeah, and then this week and next week, again, 365, so you have 0.5% potential upside. 370, maybe if it gets going, we could see a move up there, so 1.8% up there as well. Moving on to Nvidia, if it wants to load. We'll come back to that one in a minute. Let's hit on Amazon. So again, Amazon's looking constructive here. You have plus GEX P-Trans at 139, 140. Plus GEX at 145, then you have some significant structure built out there, 150, which is COI as well. Looking at this week's expiration, 143 is plus GEX, have structure built out to 145. And then looking at next week, again, 145 is plus GEX, 150 is COI too, so that is constructive as well there. Nvidia does not want to load. Let's see. All right, so here we got Nvidia. We're sitting right at plus GEX at 470, although no structure does built out to 500. Again, ton of green. In the money out of the money call dominated, constructive to see. Let's look at this week's expiration. Yeah, so plus GEX at 480, so potential for 2.59% to the upside. Keep in mind your transition zone here. Again, 470, including next week, then 40 to the upside as well. So yeah. Hopefully that's helpful. Ran through the 5 stocks, the GEX ratios, delta planes, and some key levels for you. So best of luck out there. Bye.